Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix Instagram Reel share friend list not showing problem. Okay, let's start. At first go to your Play Store and check update Instagram. My Instagram is already updated. Now back. Click on settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Click on search bar. Search Instagram. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Click on permissions. Now see all app already allowed. Okay, now back. Click on Instagram. Select your Instagram reel, share with a friend. Click on share. Click on share. Select your Instagram. Now here your friend list. By doing this process, you can successful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.